In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Trello. It's an easy process to follow, so let's get started right away. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once the website loads, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see the option to log in there. Click on it. Now, you have a choice. You can either log in using your email address or opt for a quicker route by using your Google account. Whichever option you choose, just enter your credentials and click login. Once you're in, your home dashboard appears. Now focus your attention back to the top right corner of the page. You should see your account icon there. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on Manage Account. This will redirect you to a new page where you can manage and customize various aspects of your Trello account. Now look for a camera icon. This little icon is your gateway to changing your profile picture. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see an option that says Change Profile Photo. Click on that and you'll be presented with a couple of ways to upload your new photo. If you have the image saved on your computer and want a quick way to upload it, you can simply drag and drop the image into the designated area. This method is quite handy for those who like to keep things straightforward. Alternatively, if you prefer browsing through your files, you can click on Upload a Photo. This will open a File Explorer window and you can navigate through your folders to find your chosen photo. Once you've selected the photo you want, click Open and watch your image appear on the screen. Now you'll have a chance to adjust your photo to make sure it looks just right. You can zoom in, zoom out and reposition it until you're happy with the result. This step ensures that your new profile picture represents you in the best possible way on Trello. After making these adjustments, double check that everything looks good. When you're satisfied, it's time for the final step. Look for the upload button and click on it. Your photo will be uploaded and Trello will automatically update your profile picture. And that's it, you've successfully changed your profile picture in Trello. Feel free to refresh the page to see your new look in action. It's that simple. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more easy to follow tutorials. Thank you for watching and enjoy your new profile look on Trello.